New altcoins are launching every single day, but this one right here, the SUI network, is oozing with potential, guys. So we're going to kind of explore this network today because some things really excite me about this coin. Of course, it launched not too long ago, but what really gets me excited is that this particular coin has not yet had a chance to explore all of the stages of a traditional market cycle. It's launched within a bear market. We've not seen the euphoria stage for this coin, and it's only got a $600 million market capital, which is relatively small compared to other coins out there, other proof of stake coins. And even comparing to like scalability layer ones, 600 million is just tiny. So we could certainly see a 10x by the next crypto bull run for this coin, assuming they continue to develop and build in the crypto space. Remember, if you're new to the channel, we have got tons of trading signals down below in the Discord, which you can join today if you want to sign up to those technical analysis things and stuff like that. You can literally sign up as little as $10 a month. We're going to get some TA, entry points, leverage trade signals, and a load more depending on which particular rank you decide to go for. So the link to the Patreon is also down below. So what's going on with the SUI coin? We can see it's been chopping a bit. Highs of $1.45, but we're trading at $1.14 at the moment with a market cap of $600 million. It's still getting a ton of 24-hour trade volume, sitting around $200,000 at the moment. We can see the maximum supply of this coin is also 10 billion tokens. So it's not a massive amount of coins, but I still think there's a lot of potential for this particular coin. Now, looking at the price analysis, it's certainly in a descending triangle. We can see a big buyback opportunity could be sitting around that $1 support level. If it does come down here, the previous 2 times it's touched $1, the price shot up once again. So what is it? Build beyond. Unlock the freedom to build powerful on-chain assets. Now, I like this. It's a completely new blockchain, a completely new altcoin. Does it have a 50x potential? I mean, on paper, yes, I think so. 30 billion market cap. It's a possible opportunity. It's pragmatic. So SUI is an innovative, decentralized layer 1 blockchain that redefines asset ownership. 2 Move feels like a paradigm change in the Web3 development. Treating objects as first-class citizens brings composability to a whole new level. They've got keepsake as well, infinite scalability, fast enough for any application, demand spikes, the fees don't, dynamic assets you actually own. So I really think it's cool. It's built for developers, of course, built with confidence, smart programming and all that good stuff as well. So here it looks like the team, the people behind the scenes. I think they have 5 co-founders. I read that somewhere as well, which is absolutely insane. There's a lot of co-founders as well. So you can build, you can learn, you can also connect with this particular token. Looking at the performance of this coin, 297,000 transactions per second, which is of course super quick as well. And just a little bit on their journey, it says the journey. A little more than a year ago, SUI was announced to the world along with a single validator, batch performance demonstrations of 120k TPS at peak running on an 8-core M1 MacBook Pro. Now that a long-lived, decentralized and permissionless testnet has launched, time to share the latest on SUI's performance. So it's very, very fast now. We can see here the different countries, the regions. England, of course, boasting a huge amount. Voting power by IP address country as well. 100 validators. Validator hardware configuration uses 24-core AMD, 256 gigabyte memory, and 250 Gbps NIC. Wow, this is getting powerful. So this ecosystem is starting to have competitor edge now. It's starting to got, it's got a lot of unique selling points, which is, of course, allowing a lot of people to sort of turn their heads towards this coin. Is it a viable option? Is it a viable option? I think so. I mean, workload summary, P2P size, transactions per second is absolutely massive. And even if the size is just 1, it's still getting a load of transactions per second as well. The time to finality, how fast are the transactions? Look at that. Literally milliseconds. I couldn't even click my finger in time. It's absolutely crazy. So what happens next? Scalability and coverage of benchmarks, tooling, horizontal scalability to support intra-validator scaling across multiple machines, resilience to underperform of individual validators as well. So keep your eye on this coin. Don't fall asleep on it just because it is in a downtrend. You've got to remember, we are in a bear market. We are seeing terrible geopolitical crisis, inflation rates, economies. Bitcoin is not really pumping at the moment. So why would this coin, all out the blue pump? Unless we see an investor out the blue buy a load, tell his friends to buy a load, and then, suddenly everyone's buying loads of this. Let's check out what exchanges this particular coin is also listed on the market side of things. We can see it's already on Binance. I don't think it's on Coinbase, so that's an opportunity for the future. But at the moment, they are launched on a massive amount of exchanges, which is, of course, another bullish thing. The more exchanges, the better, the more chance of a whale buying this particular coin. So far, really impressive stuff from this particular protocol. Looking at the docs as well, they've also got some really nice tokenomics. They've got low gas fees, great for building. They've got bridging as well. So I do see this one as being another blue chip top 100 coin in the future. I mean, it probably already is doing really, really well in terms of its rank anyway. But I think overall coins like this just need to get a little bit more sort of exposure. More people need to understand exactly what's going on with these coins, because we only see the price go down, and if you see the price go down, you just think, the coin's no good. But in reality, it's just following the sentiment of the market. So this is why I really like this particular coin. An intro to SUI network part 1. Is it SUI or SUI? I really would love someone to tell me. So it's a layer 1 blockchain in early 2023. They've got some new unique features. This was a coin market cap blog, so this is crazy stuff. Keep your eyes on it. That's all I can say. It's launched, it's live, and it's out there. You can buy this token today on all those exchanges that I said. Remember, this is not financial advice, but it says an intro to SUI network part 1. What is SUI? So the team behind SUI worked on the new defunct DIEM project at Meta. Just like the Aptos team, they started their own project, that is SUI. They also use the Move coding language. However, what sets them apart is that they build everything from scratch. It's also a permissionless L1 blockchain. So I'm reading from the Altcoin Buzz article right here. Thank you guys for providing this amazing information. When to expect the SUI token? So it's already live now. I don't know if they're going to have a price prediction here. That'd be really cool. See if they did. But overall, their conclusion, they're saying it's an exciting new layer 1 blockchain that should launch early 2023. They expect SUI to beat the Aptos in performance. We like the fact that they already released their tokenomics. SUI is also a lot more transparent as well. So a lot could happen for this coin, like I say. Guys, keep your eyes on it. As for a price prediction in the near or the short term, it's really difficult to say. However, if we break the resistance sort of trend line at $1.20, there's also the chance that we could see a $1.70 or even a $2+ if things do flip more bullish later on. Right now, it's still a shitcoin meme coin season, so a lot of the respectable utility coins that we know, love, and adore are not really getting the price action that we want to see right now. But I think this coin's going to have a lot of good stuff going on. Lots of SUI news out there as well. We can see they're getting a lot of partnership as well. But yeah, 3 core utilities. Let's see what can happen for this coin. Keep your eyes on it. Is it a swipe right or left for you? Is this hot or not? Let me know in the comment section if you're buying this coin. I'd love to know your thoughts. See you soon.